I'm going to show you how to tie the running bowline. The running bowline is an excellent choice to attach a rope to an object while still allowing the rope to slide back and forth. This is an excellent knot to use to retrieve things out of the water, or even to attach a tire to a tree branch for their kids to play on. All you do is put the rope around the object and make sure to give yourself plenty of running in. Otherwise, you're going to have a problem. All right, so now we're going to attach this rope here, and all you're going to do is pass it around here, and then we do the classic, we just ignore this. This becomes the loop of the bowline, and all you do is just like the classic bowline, the rabbit comes out of the hole, it runs around the tree, it sees a fox, it gets scared, the fox bites the rabbit jumps down the hole to escape, but sadly dies, and thus nourishes the tree to grow. And now we have a classic bowline, but it's on a loop, and now watch what happens. This bowline can wrap around a pole and take tons of load. It's not a life-saving or life-safety knot, though. Don't use this for climbing, but fun sort of stuff or retrieval. But if you can see here, it immediately slides and is easily removable. So you can see the classic bowline structure here. Just pull it around, tie your swing back and forth and have a good time. And the moment you want to loosen it, choop, easy, and it's super easy to remove. The bowline is featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know. All right, bowline. The bowline knot easily tied, just like that. Where and when to use. Do not use this for tying into a climbing harness, but for swings and retrieval of objects in the ocean or out of the water, or you just want to attach something and pull it, the bowline or the running bowline is a great choice to attach things. Also, too, if you have access to the other end of the rope, which is way down here, you can just tie the bowline, feed it around the object, and then just start threading the rope through, and you'll get the same sort of action. But there's nothing more satisfying than tying the knot as intended originally. Pull it, and there you go. Please check out links below to my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know, to learn the bowline and other fun knots like this. Thank you very much for watching.